Dutch and Kurdish. In English, to come. In Dutch, Komen. In Kurdish, hatin. To come. Komen, hatin. In English, I come. In Dutch, ik kom. In Kurdish, as them. I come, ik kom, as them. In English, I am coming now. I am coming now. In Dutch, ik kom nu. In Kurdish, as nu hatem. I'm coming now. Ik kom nu. As nu hatem. Online English, Dutch and Kurdish. You come. Jij komt. In Kurdish, du they. You come. Jij komt. Du they. Online English, Dutch and Kurdish language. In English, you are coming now. In Dutch, jij komt nu. In Kurdish, du nu they. You are coming now. Jij komt nu. Du nu they. In English, he comes. In Dutch, hij komt. In Kurdish, o de. He comes. Hij komt. O de. Let's look at another sentence with come. He is coming now in English. In Dutch, hij komt nu. In Kurdish, o nu de. He is coming now. Hij komt nu. O nu de. In English, she comes. In Dutch, zij komt. In Kurdish, o de. She comes. Zij komt. O de. Learn English, Dutch and Kurdish language together. She's coming now. Zij komt nu. O nu de. In English, she is coming now. In Dutch, zij komt nu. And in Kurdish, o nu de. We are learning Dutch, English and Kurdish. In English, it comes. In Dutch, het komt. In Kurdish, o de. It comes. Het komt. O de. Please do not forget to subscribe and like for this channel. In English, it is coming now. In Dutch, het komt nu. In Kurdish, o nu de. It's coming now. Het komt nu. O nu de. Online English, Dutch and Kurdish language. In English, we come. In Dutch, wij komen. In Kurdish, ten. We come. Wij komen. ten. In English, we are coming now. We are coming now. Wij komen nu. nu ten. We are coming now. Wij komen nu. nu ten. Engels, Nederlands en Koerdse taal leren. In English, for plural, you come. In Dutch, jullie komen. In Kurdish, hun ten. Be Kurdi hun ten. Be Hollandi jullie komen. Be İngilizce you come. In English, you are coming now. You are coming now. And in Dutch, jullie komen nu. In Kurdish, hun neha ten. Now, nu, neha. In English, they come. In Dutch, zij komen. In Kurdish, evna den. They come. Zij komen. Evna den. They. Zij. Evna. In English, they are coming now. In Dutch, zij komen nu, of je kan het zeggen, ze komen nu. Be Kurdi evna neha den. They are coming now. Zij komen nu. Evna neha den. Let's repeat it again. In English, to come. In Dutch, komen. In Kurdish, hatin. To come betekent van to come in Nederlands komen. معنای واتای to come به کردی hatin. I come. That means in Dutch, ik kom. In Kurdish, as tem. I am coming now. واتای I am coming now به کردی از نه hatem. In het Nederlands, ik kom nu. You come. That means in Dutch, jij komt. In Kurdish, today. You are coming now. Jij komt nu. To nahate. He comes. Hij komt. If you look at here, for the come, S, and for the kom, T. But in the Kurdish, there is no extra prefix. He is coming now. Hij komt nu. Evnahate. She comes. Zij komt. Evte. She is coming now. Zij komt nu. Evnahate. It comes. Het komt. Evte. It is coming now. Het komt nu. Evnahate. We come in English. Wij komen in Dutch. Ten be Kurdi. We are coming now. Wij komen nu. Evnahate. You come for plural. Jullie komen. For meervoud, hun ten, jibo kasi zedater. You are coming now. Jullie komen nu. Hun neha ten. Zij come. Zij komen. Evna ten. They are coming now. Zij komen nu. Evna neha ten. Thanks for your watching and see you next lesson. Hartstikke bedankt voor het kijken en tot volgende les. Gelek spas که مجبور تماشا کردن و ببینین کیف و خیلی خوشیدم.